everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, Thiago's gonna show you how he built our chicken coop. Well, how he builds, because he's still just getting the foundation ready here, making sure it is level. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it helps some of you out. When we got the chickens, we didn't think it was gonna be this much of a hassle to get a chicken coop. The place we found closest to us was New Hampshire that made the chicken coops, but they were back ordered like 2.5 months. We would have to wait to get ours, and it was $1,000 for 12 chickens. So yeah, we're building our own. What size is it? 8 by 10? 8 by 10 no?
8 by 8.
8 by 8?
Yeah.
So the size of this chicken coop is 8 by 8, and I'll show you guys the progress. So if you wanna see how we built our chicken coop, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's just jump into today's video.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest.
Okay, so Thiago has just finished setting up the base of the chicken coop, and the size I believe we're working on is 8 by 10, but I'll let you guys know for sure. It's been a workout because up there we had to come down with the 2x4s and put it there. Well, not we, him, and then come all the way here. We didn't want to put like an alley. We didn't want to put the chicken coop too close to the up there because of the neighbors, and there's gonna be a rooster, so we brought it all the way down here because the closest house is on the other side of the street, and our land goes all the way down there. Nelly thinking she's helping. It's a little cold today, so we put a sweater on her. Is it heavy? No? No, thank you. His tools are in here. Look at how handsome. Look at my mom. Seen a sky so blue, and you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Okay, so foundation is done. He's about to start lifting the sides now. It's been about an hour, about 45 minutes, and he was able to get the whole bottom part done.
Killing time, Friday night. A photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top.
Okay, here's the progress. They're setting up the frame for the roof now. Let me get in here. Hello!
Hey.
Look at my dad. It's coming along.
It's funny how time roll by. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? Never
Coffee break, snack time.
remember what we did that day. Blowing up steam and gas. I wanted to stay 'cause I know how it
Snack time, a little snacky snack.
forget that. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then.
My work is not getting done. This is what he does.
This is why I'm forced to get my subscribers.
Found a photo.
Let's go, good girl.
I was lost without any direction. Had a line so many times, but I needed attention. No matter what I say, no matter my regrets, things still been said and done. There's not a part of me that wants to say no. But I have realized I had to let go. Oh, 'cause something's broken.
Look at how big they are. Look at it.
Knowing you do better without me. Without me.
Cabrito com ela. So Nelly keeps all the chicks together.
I have tried, yeah,
She pushes them with her little nose.
but I'm not again if
Olha aqui, mãe.
I know I make mistakes, it's just the way I am. That's why you have to know. Yeah, there's not a part of me that wants to say no.
So guys, this little girl was hanging out in the sun today with all the other chicks, and she got her little leg caught in the crate and completely broke it off. We tried calling all these vets around, and the exotic animal one only works tomorrow, Monday. Today's Sunday. So we read online and we did a little patch with 2 sticks, and then we put some band-aids, some wrapping, and put duct tape to keep it all together. And we gotta keep her warm. It said to put her in a box separate from the others, give her water, food, and take really good care of her. She's gonna be okay. I'll keep you guys posted, but we'll be having a tough day here because of her. Okay, so most of the outside is done. You see the little side door? We're gonna make a chicken run on this side here, a long rectangle one. And this is the opening for them. Here is the front door. How that looks. The windows in, door closes nicely. And then there is the roof. So they're just doing the final touch-ups, and then we're gonna go inside and do the little cubes for the chickens to lay the eggs. So that's how that is looking. So look how the little cubes for the chickens to lay eggs are looking. Oh my goodness, they're so talented. Oh, okay. So look at where we're starting to welcome them to their...
You're not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see.
Okay guys, so this is about, what, day 4 or 5? We finished building well, we closed it now. You have to close this so your chickens don't simulate this, the little boxes with sleeping places. It's for them to lay eggs, so we can only take this out when the chicks or the chickens are ready to lay eggs, which is about 6 months. So we have 4 boxes. Each chicken needs, so 4 chickens use 1 box. So we have 12 boxes here because we only have 14 chickens, and we have to give away 2 because we have 3 roosters and we can only have 1, or else they'll kill each other. So that's it. We have the tools here for now. So this is how you close it. The little window. My mom's still gonna put up a sign with the name of the chicken coop. We're thinking chicken nuggets. So over there is the little door for the chickens to come out, and we started the chicken run today. That's how it's looking. No, tomorrow's supposed to rain. So we still need to cover this whole bottom here, and we're gonna put a door here too, so my mom can keep everything clean and smelling good. Because if you let this go, this place is gonna smell unbearable. That on the floor is the door. I thought that was a garden when I first saw it, but that's a door. And yeah, we still have to put roof here. We got just like those, but clear ones to go on the top. And this, we still need to put the second, like I do something. We still need to do it on the top here too, and on the floor like I said. So that's how it's looking for now. End of day 5, I believe. Yeah, because it's some days they only work for like half a day. Like today they only did 4 hours, and they did all of that in the chicken run. And they, I mean Thiago and my dad. So here's the chicken coop. This is how it's looking. The sign with the name is still going up there. My mom is making the sign. Here's the entrance to put the eggs. Here's one of the signs she's working on to go in front here. And then here is the chicken run. And here, this is how big they are. They're like 5 weeks now. They're 5 weeks. Look at them. Big girls. They're big girls. And yeah, so here's the sign. Here's another sign. We have a clear roof going over there. They did such a good job. And then here's the door to the chicken run. So I'll show you guys here and then go around the other side as well. So there's some water there for them. There's a little swing here. It's so cute, right? So they'll go up on the swing. You see it's a little dirty. They'll go up and just swing back and forth. So it's super cute. More water there and then food there. And look at these babas. Hey, I don't have food for you right now. If you back my camera. They're super friendly, guys. You don't even understand. And the one that broke the leg, we can't tell her apart anymore. It healed 100%. So Thiago is an amazing vet. He's the one that... Ow! It pecked me! Ow! I just said they're super friendly and they pecked me. Yeah, Thiago is the one that put the little piece of wood on the leg to heal, and he did a super good job. Okay, and then going here, we put this other wood thing here, and then there's the little door. Oh, there's one sleeping in there. Look. Yeah, so there's the little door. We close it at night to keep them nice and warm. Alright, let me go around and show you guys the other way. Alright. And don't mind, it's just my dad and my mom exercising. They're doing this little, they run around, and then my sister set up a whole workout area down there. So okay, so here's the front. Hi baby.
Hey.
This is what we have here. So for now, where they lay eggs, we're storing like their food and stuff. We're keeping everything closed so we don't get mice in here. We put these sticks here just for the chicks to have something to go up on while they're little. But we have these better sticks up here, so when they're bigger they can come up here. And they're not ready to lay eggs yet. It's between 4 to 6 months, I read online. So this, not ready yet for this. We'll set it up when they're ready. We bought some fake eggs already to put there for when they are ready. There's a chicken here. Look. So yeah, it's looking good. More water here that we hang down. And there's another one of these out in the chicken run for us to hang food on one of those too, so. Hey buddy! Yeah, it's looking so good. Thiago and my dad did such an amazing job. Okay everyone, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some ideas of how to build your own chicken coop. It's a lot more affordable, a lot more work, but it's worth it because it comes out just how you wanted it to. And I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe down below, share with your friends, and turn on the bell notification so you can get notified every time we post a new video. I'm gonna keep you guys posted with our little homestead, how it's coming along, all the planting, all the chicken stuff, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.
So tell me now, because I just have to know.